Hello children, today we will do the book exercise of 4th chapter of Gurmohar, that is A Wonderful Gift. So open page number 29. Question answers you will get as a PDF in attachment. So we will come straight to the grammar part. Grammar and usage. So first is about adjectives, children. So you have already studied what is adjective. The words which describe nouns or pronouns are called adjectives, or we can say the describing words are called as adjectives. Like if I say Riya is a beautiful girl. Children, then this word beautiful, it is describing the noun girl. What kind of girl? Beautiful girl. So this beautiful is describing this noun girl. So what is beautiful? Beautiful is a adjective. So it is an adjective. So this you have already studied in previous class. Now let's know about comparison of adjectives. So there are 3 degrees of comparison, children. What are these? Positive, comparative and superlative. Okay, comparative, positive, comparative and superlative. So when there is no comparison, when we talk about a single person or place or thing, then we use positive degree of comparison. When we compare between two person or things or places, then we use comparative degree of adjectives plus the word than. I will give you example. And when there is comparison in more than 2 person, places or things, then we use superlative. And before this we use the word the, means we can use the most, or we can also add est to the word. And in comparative we usually add er to the word. Let's see example, then it will be clear to you. If I use the word tall, okay, if I say Ram is a tall boy. We are not comparing Ram with anyone, just single person we are talking about. So we use the word tall. So it is a positive degree. When we compare Ram with another boy, means comparison between 2 persons, then we use comparative degree. We can add er, the suffix er to the word. Now if I say Ram is, now tall will become taller. Okay, we have added er, and also I said that we use the word than. Taller than whom? Taller than, let's say, Mohan. Ram is taller than Mohan. Now taller is the comparative degree of adjective. Now if I have to means compare Ram in, suppose in the whole class, okay, so I can say Ram is the, we put the article the before the superlative. Ram is the tallest. I told you now we add the suffix est. So Ram is the tallest boy in the class. So this is the positive, this is comparative, and this is superlative. Sometimes it is not possible to add the suffix er or est. In that case we add, in comparative forms we add more, and in superlative the most. Let's take the example of intelligent. Ram is an intelligent boy. Okay, there is no comparison, so we are simply using the word intelligent, which is positive degree here. Now if we compare again Ram with Mohan, then we cannot say intelligenter. It is no, there is no any word as intelligenter. So what we use, as I told you, we can use more in comparative. So we can say Ram is more intelligent, okay, and than word we use in comparison. So we will write than Mohan. Now if I say that let's talk about Ram as the most intelligent one in the class, comparison in the whole class, then what we can write? Ram is, now we use the article the, as I told you in superlative. Ram is the, see here we have not used the, here also not used the, but in superlative we will use the. So Ram is the most, okay. We will not say intelligent, intelligentest, something like that. There is no any word like that. So we will use the most and simply put intelligent. Ram is the most intelligent boy in the class. Okay, so we see intelligent, positive, more intelligent, comparative degree, and the most intelligent, superlative degree. So these are the degrees of comparison in adjectives. So now we come back to the exercise, page number 30. Choose the correct word to complete these sentences. So first one is already given. Take the other road. It is shorter than this. Now see, there is comparison between two roads. One on which the speaker is going, and it is comparing it with the other one. So it is shorter than, degree of comparison. Those yellow sheets are dash of all. Now all means there is more than two. So we use superlative degree. So what it will be? The cleanest. So you write the answer. A part means A, B, C 3 are given. So you choose the A one. The cleanest. Jatin is dash hitter who scores well in all the matches. Now Jatin is, we are simply talking about Jatin. We are not comparing him with any other player. So we use the positive degree. So simply a big, not bigger, not biggest. We will use a big. Jatin is a big hitter who scores well in the matches. Fourth one, the price of computer is dash before. Now, there is a comparison of the present price with the earlier price. So the comparison between two. So we will use comparative degree. So it will be the price of computers is lower than, option number C, lower than before. The tiger lily is dash flower. Again, there is no comparison with any other flower. So simply the positive one, means tiger lily is a lovely flower. Option number B, a lovely. Now come to page number 31. Words in use. Replace the words in color in these sentences with the correct words from the box. Now see, in box some words are given. Took care of, come true, call on, put something away, a long time ago. So with the help of these words we have to replace the words which are written in red color. Don't be sad. I'm sure your dreams will turn real one day. So in place of turn real, what you can do? You can write come true. So we will write here come true. A, first one is come true. Second, many years ago there lived a great king and warrior called Samudragupta. Many years ago, we can also say a long time ago. So second one is a long time ago. Now third one, if you don't keep the cricket bat somewhere else, someone may trip on it and fall. So in place of keep somewhere else, we can write put away. Okay. So third one is if you don't put away. Fourth is we can certainly visit them, but first let's make sure they are home. Now visit, or we can also use in place of visit we can use call on. Call on also means to visit. So we can certainly call on them. Who looked after your pet when all of you were away? Looked after means took care of. So in place of look after, you can write took care of. Now come to B part. Complete these sentences with the opposites of the words in color. So the red color words are there. You have to write the opposite of the red color words. The younger children are quite noisy, but the older ones were very. Now what is the opposite of noisy? Quiet. So we will write here quiet. Earlier the room smelled very unpleasant because I had sprayed insect repellent, but now it smells fresh and pleasant. Unpleasant means something which doesn't smell good, and pleasant means something that smells good. So pleasant because of the flowers in the vase. So it is pleasant. How could you forget to bring my book? I thought you would. Opposite of forget is remember. So write remember. A paper boat will float on water, but if you throw a pebble in water, it will sink. Opposite of float is sink. You fell down and hurt yourself because you were very careless. Next time you have to be careful. Opposite of careless is careful. He has an unknown cricket player before this IPL series, but after scoring 100 in the last match, he has become known. Opposite of unknown is known or well known. So let's write known only. Mother was able to call you on your mobile phone, but she was unable to get in touch with Aunt Rashida. Opposite of able, unable. Plastic bags are useless. Use jute bags as they are very useful. Opposite of useless, useful. Okay. So children, this is your exercise part. Fill it properly in your book. Thank you.